It's moving. Moving in. Where the hell did that cop go? I just record shit, that's what I do.
Don't forget about my tag.
What the
Shout out to the team. Save the hair, fuck the hair.
Oh yeah!
Save the hair.
Oh, that's the one I saw coming in. Oh, fuck you!
I don't know if I'm supposed to run too.
Yeah, right. No, I was like, I don't know.
She's running at me. I'm
Oh, she's trying to sneak up on me and try to scare me. Every time I get her, she tries to get me back and everything.
I want to touch it. Who said what?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't. He's a drifter. Don't do it. You think he'll do it? Hey, hey. Oh, bye.
High five. I didn't even say nothing this time.
Do that. Do that.
I was going to your attention.
Yeah.
And I'm scaring you.
Yeah.
I know. Back in the scene. Where the hell has he been at? Oh, he's got louder.
At least it'd be like across the face.
What the fuck? It's a gym. my god! Should I do it or not to do it? That is the question. Will I do it? Oh my god, it's killing me. I don't know.
Or not to do.
Yeah.
That is the question.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm out and everything.
Alright, so I'm about to do this taste test right quick. This with this, the cream soda. I don't feel like doing all that focusing and stuff, but cream soda. It's the Giant brand. But yeah, so he said I can open it with this. So I'm gonna try it. Oh, he was right. And I kept shaking it up, my dumb ass. First taste test. It's actually pretty fucking good.
Told you.
You heard it? I was talking so low. Yo, he has some good ass ears. I can't hear for nothing. Damn, I'm at the car wash now, so I'm about to wash the car. Yeah, so, cause the battery's about to die anyway, so.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.